Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're going to show you how to find your WordPress username and password using cPanel. Whether you've forgotten your login details or just need to access them, we've got you covered. First, log into your hosting account and navigate to cPanel. You'll usually find this link in your hosting account dashboard. Once you're in cPanel, scroll down to the databases section. Here, click on PHPMyAdmin. In PHPMyAdmin, locate your WordPress database. If you're unsure which one it is, you can check your WordPress configuration file, wp-config.php, for the database name. Click on your database name to view its tables. Look for the table named WP users. The prefix might be different if you changed it during installation. Here you'll see a list of users. The user_login column displays your usernames. To reset a password, click edit next to the user you want to modify. In the user_pass field, select MD5 from the function dropdown and enter your new password. After entering the new password, click go to save your changes. You can now use this new password to log into your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully found your WordPress username and reset your password through cPanel. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.